Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of the derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. At what points of the curve y equals to 2x minus x squared are the tangents to be the normal of the line x plus 4y equals to number 5. So now I will show you how to answer. Here is about the curve in here. Here is about the line. The tangent of this one, that's about the normal line of the line in here. So we need to find the tangent in here. So to do about this one, we need to find the normal of the line. That is about this one. So that we can find the value of this one. So I will put about x go to the right, and later that we divide both sides by number 4. Next, we need to do first the derivative of y. So you got about negative 1 over 4. First the derivative of x, you got about number 1. First the derivative of 5 over 4. This is about the constant. So you got about 0. Because we want to find about the normal line. So I will put about k. And we have negative 1 over first the derivative of y. That's about this one in here. So we have positive number 4. The next one, if we want to find the tangents of the curve, we need to do first the derivative of this one. First the derivative of x, you got about number 1, so we have number 2. First the derivative of x squared, we have 2x. Because the tangent is about the normal of the line, that means number 4 equals to this one. Now I will put number 2 go to the right. So we have number 2. Next, we divide both sides by negative number 2. We have negative number 1. But the question they ask about what boys. So after we got negative number 1, we can put negative number 1 going here to find the value of y. That is about negative number 3. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.